friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making chocolate milk from milk, cocoa powder, and sugar. So we need to measure out 1 cup of milk. And I'll put it in a cup. And now I'm going to measure another 1/4 cup of milk. And add 1 tablespoon of sugar. And 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. And now I will mix it. And I'm going to heat this cocoa powder mixture in a microwave. So let's go to the microwave. And I'll microwave it for 30 seconds. So now the milk has been heated, so let's take it out of the microwave. And I'm going to finish mixing it. So now, because sugar and cocoa powder, they dissolve much better in a warm liquid. So see, in the heated milk, it's getting dissolved. So now, once it's smooth, just add it to the cold milk. And here is chocolate milk. So just mix it so it's completely incorporated. And the homemade chocolate milk is ready. Super easy. Now let's try it. Delicious. This is so good. You will love this homemade chocolate milk. For a free printable recipe and other very easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!